Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am on this construction site and this is the floor beam steel reinforcement construction for the basement. Okay, so here guys you can see this is B2, that is also B2, floor beam 2, and last video I have discussed B1 according to structure drawing. Okay, so now let me guide you for B2, beam number 2. This is B2 and that one is also B2. So let me show you first of all the structural drawing of B2, okay, and its section, then I will show you practically. Guys, you can see this is the basement layout of this is the beam layout of basement. Okay, as you can see clearly, let me show you first the drawing. As you can see, this is the drawing. Okay, beam layout plan of the basement. Okay, so where is B2? Guys, you can see here, this is B2. Okay, the B2 length is here 17 feet and 11 inches. Guys, you can see clearly. Okay, B2, this is B2, this is B2, this is B2, which length is 17 feet and 11 inches from one center column to the other center column. Okay, let me show you the section for steel reinforcement. Guys, you can see this is the section of B2. Okay, width is here 12 inches, depth is 15 inches. Guys, you can see this is the thickness of RCC slab, which is 6 inches on the top of this beam. Okay, so here we have 3 steel rods at the bottom in tension zone, 3 numbers, dia is 6 number. Okay, in top portion you can see we have 2 bars, dia is 5 number steel, and 3 numbers we have other center and upper portion center bar, and 2 are side bars. So we have totally 3 numbers, dia is 6 number. Okay, and here guys you can see this is for the L/4 distance specially. Okay, so you can see that the stirrup details, you can see 3 number with the spacing of 3 number dia. Spacing is from 5 to 8 inches center to center. Okay, so now let me show you practically this section. Okay, and this is B2. Okay, so guys, let me show you practically from this column center to this column center. This length is 17 feet and 11 inches. Okay, here guys you can see the width is, you can see the width is 12 inches with concrete cover and the depth is 15 inches with concrete cover. As I already discussed in the drawing, in bottom portion we have 3 numbers steel rods. Okay, as you can see we have 3 numbers. In upper portion we have 2 numbers. In bottom portion we have here guys you can see this is 6 number steel rod. In upper portion we have 5 number steel rods dia. Okay, so here guys you can see when you come to the distance of L/4, you can see L/4 means this is the center of the column and that is the other center. So length should be divided by 4. That is called L/4, where we have negative bending moment. So therefore guys, in the drawing I have already discussed, we have 3 numbers at the bottom, you can see here, and 3 at the top. But this extra steel rod at the middle, this is just at the distance of L/4. Okay, and 2 are side bars, which is just for L/4 distance. Okay, next guys you can see the spacing of stirrups. So this is 5 inches. The first stirrup is placed at the distance of minimum 2 inches and the other spacing is 5 inches. Dia of each stirrup is 3 number or 8 mm, you can say. After L/4 distance, you can see the spacing is 8 inches. Okay, again when you are coming to the distance of L/4, so the spacing is again 5 inches. So this is very important to know about the spacing of stirrups. One thing they missed here, which is hooks are bent on 90 degree, it should be provided on 135 degree. Okay, so be careful especially for this point. Next guys, you can see this is also one of the big mistake about the development length. So they didn't provide any development length at the end of the beam. The upper portion steel reinforcement should be through downward and the downward steel reinforcement should be through to the upward side.